Welcome back to Car Mexi, the channel where we dive deep into the machines that move our world. Today, we're taking a close, detailed look at one of the most iconic performance sedans ever created, the BMW M3. Known for its razor-sharp handling, aggressive looks, and track-bred engineering, the M3 is a car that blends everyday usability with true motorsport DNA. In this video, we'll go through its exterior design, interior feel, performance numbers, and price details in a simple, clear, and engaging way. So sit back, relax, and let's jump straight in. When you first lay eyes on the BMW M3, the exterior immediately sends a message: this car means business. The signature kidney grills, now larger and more attention-grabbing than ever, dominate the front end. Whether you love them or hate them, they ensure the M3 stands out from anything else on the road. The sleek LED headlights give it an aggressive stare, like it's constantly ready to pounce. Along the sides, the aerodynamic lines flow smoothly, and the flared fenders show that BMW has packed serious performance underneath. You get functional air vents, sculpted side skirts, and an overall stance that is wide, athletic, and grounded. The M-specific mirrors, carbon fiber roof, and quad exhaust setup at the rear complete the look, making sure everyone knows this isn't just a regular 3 Series. It's the M3, the king of BMW's sports sedans. Moving inside the M3, BMW has created a cockpit that blends luxury with pure driving excitement. The moment you sit down, the M Sport bucket seats hug your body with incredible support, especially if you opt for the carbon fiber bucket seats. They're lightweight, aggressive, and race-inspired. The materials throughout the cabin feel premium: soft leather, aluminum trim, carbon fiber accents, and high-quality stitching that gives the interior a handcrafted vibe. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, giving you real-time performance information, navigation, and driver modes. The large infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, gesture controls, and BMW's famous iDrive system, which remains one of the smoothest and most intuitive in the industry. Inside the cabin, you also get ambient lighting that can be customized to suit your mood, a premium Harman Kardon or optional Bowers & Wilkins sound system, and a layout that is clearly designed with the driver at the center. The steering wheel is thick, sporty, and feels like a proper tool for performance driving. Even though this is a performance machine, BMW didn't forget practicality. You still have usable rear seats and a decent-sized trunk, making the M3 a car you can genuinely use every single day while still having supercar-level thrills on demand. Now let's talk about the part everyone is waiting for: the performance. Under the hood, the BMW M3 is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine known as the S58. This engine delivers serious power. Depending on the model, you get around 473 horsepower in the base version and up to 503 horsepower in the competition trim. The torque numbers are equally impressive, giving you explosive acceleration whenever you press the pedal. With launch control activated, the M3 competition can go from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 60 miles per hour, in around 3.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest sedans in its class. The handling is where the M3 truly shines. With its adaptive suspension, rear-wheel drive or optional all-wheel drive setup, and precise steering system, the car feels incredibly planted. You can take corners aggressively, and the car responds with confidence and stability. The brakes are massive and powerful, allowing you to slow down quickly even from high speeds. BMW has given the M3 multiple drive modes: Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, Track, and customizable M1 and M2 presets, allowing you to tailor the car's behavior to your liking. Whether you want a relaxed city drive or a full-on adrenaline rush on the open road, the M3 adapts perfectly. You also get an advanced exhaust system with adjustable sound modes. In Comfort mode, it keeps things quiet and refined. Switch to Sport Plus, and the exhaust roars with a deep, aggressive growl that makes the car feel alive. The M3 is designed not only for speed but also for driving pleasure. Every gear shift, every corner, every sound from the engine creates an experience that reminds you why this car is considered a benchmark for performance sedans around the world. Now let's discuss price. The BMW M3 is not cheap, but considering what it offers, it delivers big value. Depending on your market, the starting price generally sits around the mid to high premium segment. The base model usually starts around the equivalent of $70,000 to $76,000, while the M3 competition and all-wheel drive variants can climb into the $80,000 to $90,000 range depending on options. Add carbon fiber packages, upgraded wheels, high-end audio systems, and performance extras, and the price can climb even higher. But for what you get, a world-class engine, luxury interior, cutting-edge technology, and track-ready performance, the M3 remains one of the best performance buys available today. It competes with cars like the Mercedes-AMG C63, Audi 5 Rupees, and Cadillac CT4 Volt Blackwing, and in many comparisons, the M3 still comes out on top because of its driving balance, tuning, and overall personality. So, what's the final verdict? The BMW M3 is a car that blends performance, luxury, and practicality in a way only a few cars in the world can match. It can be your comfortable daily driver during the week and your thrilling track machine during the weekend. From the aggressive exterior to the premium interior and the insane performance, the M3 truly earns its reputation as a king in the performance sedan world. If you're someone who loves driving and wants a machine that can do almost everything, the BMW M3 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Car Mexi. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. Tell me in the comments, what car should I review next? Until then, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.